Hello everyone, you were asking me to do some foams. So today, I'm gonna show how you can make sweet espumas at home. I'm gonna make 3 variations: chocolate, blueberries and almonds. So I hope you're gonna like them, and let's do it. And let's start with sweet almonds foam. You're gonna need sugar, milk, cream and almonds. I'm gonna leave full recipe in the description down below, so you can check it out. And I start with spreading almond flakes on the tray, and I'm gonna bake it 165 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes. Then I move it inside a bowl and cover it with milk. I leave it there for around 30 minutes to infuse, and then I transfer everything inside the blender. I blend it for around 30 seconds on medium speed, and then I'm gonna pass it through the cheesecloth. I recommend you to use cheesecloth or something similar, so you make sure nothing will get stuck in the siphon bottle later on. And you basically created homemade almond milk. As the next step, you wanna make brown caramel. So I put sugar inside the pot and wait until I get nice color. You wanna make sure the caramel is nice and brown, so you get nice color of the foam later on. Then you just cover it with the milk and wait until the caramel is melted. At this time, you can put your cream, almond milk, bring it to the boil. And the last step is to pass it through the chinois and leave it inside the fridge to cool it down. And when the mix is completely cold, you can transfer it inside the siphon bottle. I'm gonna use 1 charge because I have small bottle. Mix everything properly and the foam is ready to go. So the almond foam is done, and now let's start with the blueberry one. I will need cream, mascarpone, blueberries, sugar, lemon juice, cream and gelatin. I start with putting gelatin inside the cold water, and then I mix everything except the cream inside the blender. And this thing you wanna blend really properly, so I leave it for around 3 minutes on maximum speed, so I get nice smooth foam. I pass it through the chinois, so I make sure there are not any lumps inside. And I'm gonna transfer it on the stove and make it a little bit warm, so I can melt my gelatin in. The last ingredient, which is missing, is double cream. I'm gonna mix everything together, transfer it inside a plastic container, and I leave it inside the fridge to cool it down. And again, small siphon bottle with 1 charge, and my blueberry foam is ready. And do you know who loves blueberries? Yes, it's my food inspector. So let's give him tasting portion so we can find out if the foam tastes good. And like always, he loves it. And the last foam we're gonna do today is chocolate. I will need avocado, milk, sugar, cream and dark chocolate. First thing I have to do is to melt chocolate on bain-marie. Then I open my avocado and measure 50 grams. The avocado will help you to make the foam nice and thick without using any gelatin or something else. Plus, you get very interesting taste. My chocolate is melted now, so I can add my cream and mix everything properly. Next is coming milk and sugar. And then I can move it inside a plastic container, put avocado in and mix everything properly with a hand blender. And like always, pass it through the chinois, leave it inside the fridge for around 1 hour. Siphon bottle, 1 charge, and the foam is ready. Just for you to know, if you're gonna use big siphon bottle, I will use 2 charges. So what do you think, guys? Do you like it? Which foam is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn some sort of savory foam I recommend you to check out this video and learn how you can make my parmesan frozen foam at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.